Hi, I'm Nancy, your brand strategist, and this is the Facebook algorithm strategy.
Well, I'm thinking we should cut the blue wire.
Hey, wait!
What?
That's not what I'm thinking.
What? Do you think maybe the red?
No!
So in this video I'm going to tell you what's the strategy you should be using for any Facebook algorithm update. This is a bit dangerous because it means that you might not need to watch my videos again, but I'm doing it anyway. I like to live dangerously. But still, if you want to know everything about the strategy you should be using for any marketing operation, online or offline, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the red subscribe button below and also the little bell on its side. So, you may or may not know, I suppose that if you hear and found my video, you do know that Facebook announced a big algorithm change just last month. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the little secret behind any algorithm update. Not only on Facebook, pretty much on every social media. Stay tuned because this is gonna blow your mind. As I already said in a previous video, last month they announced this huge, big, unbelievable apocalypse Facebook algorithm change. And thing is that it's not true. I mean, it is true, but it's not what you should be worried about. The strategy you're using to post on Facebook, that's what you should be worried about. So this new algorithm is rewarding long comments. Even more important is going to reward those posts that make people interact with each other. And it's going to be very important to follow this little secret I'm about to tell you to deal with any algorithm update. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, whatever. Also because they said that this is going to affect any Facebook product. You probably know that Facebook acquired Instagram. So do not be surprised if Instagram will follow the exact same philosophy that Facebook is following. Any Facebook product means just that. So what you should be doing is to post interesting stuff. No one cares about how good your product is. I suppose that your product is good if you're trying to sell it to me. Are you trying to trick me or something? That's how people is reasoning in 2018. So the thing that you should be doing to deal with this Facebook algorithm update is say stuff that people will care about. So it means that you should stop talking about your stuff and start being in people's life. That's the big thing. Relate to people's life. Because you want to be in people's mind. Your Facebook update will struggle to get on people's newsfeed and will also struggle to grab their attention. Because it's 2018. We have a lot of stuff to do and a lot of distractions, and so it's very complicated to grab people's attention, and that's what I'll be talking about next week. So highly suggest that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell, so you will not miss this important thing if you want people to listen to what you have to say. Grab their attention. The moment when I blow your mind is coming. Just wait a second. The secret to deal with any algorithm, Facebook algorithm, YouTube algorithm, or Instagram algorithm, or whatever algorithm, is that you have to be human. So let me blow your mind now. The big secret behind any algorithm is that they are robots. And what are robots built for? To help humans. And who is building robots? Humans. So the big secret behind any algorithm is that robots will try to mimic humans. So let me blow your mind. Focus on humans, not on the algorithm. This update is focused on longer comments, but believe me when I tell you that they will soon realize that people usually do not have time for long comments. But they're telling you this because they want you to focus on humans. People want interesting stuff in their newsfeed, so that's what you have to do. Saying that your product or service is so freaking good is not interesting. No matter how big they're telling you that the algorithm change is, the one and only thing behind robots is a human trying to make it like a human. And that's it. Focus on humans. And that's why I'm going to talk about how to grab people's attention next week. I'm sorry, but there's no downloadable today because I don't know how to explain how humans work. I will probably need a whole series of philosophy books. I do not have time to do that, and you don't have time to read it. So that's why I will try to explain it in the next video in 5 minutes or less. But in the very first comment, the pinned one, you're gonna find links to connect with me on other social media, so in case you do not have a YouTube account, we can totally take the discussion outside of YouTube. But in case you do have a YouTube account, like the video, subscribe to my channel to know what strategy to use in any marketing operation, online or offline, and make people love your business. Thanks for watching, and see you next week with a new quick marketing tip, and I promise there's gonna be a freebie.